Hi, let's discuss few more questions. See the question given here. You have to select the correct water image of figure X. So here, which is the correct image? D. Read the information carefully and answer the question given here. Karthik and Karan like maths but do not like science. Karthik and Shikha do not like Hindi but like English. Shikha and Sonal like maths and science. Karan like only one subject. Sonal does not like only English. Which of the following subjects is liked by all the four students? Okay, so here you need to find out which subject is liked by all the four students. So here first statement when you see, then Karan and Karthik they like maths, and the third statement says that Shikha and Sonal also likes maths, right? So all the four children like maths. So which is the correct option? A. Which number will replace the question mark in the given number bond? Remember that here the pink lines shown is not given in the question, original question. So here the pink line is just for the explanation. When you add up these lines, the total will be 15. Just check it out. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15. The another one, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 6, 15. And the rightmost side, 6 plus 8, 14 plus 1, 15. So coming to the bottom line, 1 plus 7 is 8. So 8 plus which number will be 15. So 7. So answer is A. See this question. Which of the following words appear at third position in which they occur in dictionary? Carrot, camera, carom, carpenter and carton. Out of these 5 words, you can see 4 words are given in the option. Don't just be misguided. Here you can see first 2 letters, that is C, A is common, right? Now comparing the third letter, you have R, M, R, R and R in each of these words given. So that is altogether you have R and M. So which comes first? That is M comes first. So first word is camera. Now with R as the third letter, we have carrot, carom, carpenter and carton. Fine. So CAR is common. So we compare fourth letter, and the fourth letter we have as R, R, P and T. So which comes first? P, that is the second word, is carpenter. Now we have carrot, carom and carton. In these 3 words, CAR is common. Fourth alphabet you can see R, R and T. Which comes first? That is R. And with R we have 2 words, that is carrot and carom. So we need to compare R and T. Which comes first? M. That is carom is the third word. See this question. In a certain code language, result is coded as SDTTMS. How will punish be coded in the same language? And the options are given. You can see alphabets A to Z and the order in which they come there. Right? Now, result is coded as SDTTMS. Now see, R is the 18th letter, E is the 5th letter, S is 19th letter and so on. Now when R is resulted or coded as S, that means it has switched from 18th letter to 19th letter. That is the first letter, that is the next number alphabet you have to write. Okay, so P will be, if P is the 16th letter, then 16 to 17th letter, that is Q. Fine. Now coming to the second letter of result, that is E, that is the 5th alphabet, and E is coded as D, that is D is the 4th letter, that is the previous letter. So U, if it is 21st letter, which is the previous number, that is 20th, the alphabet is T. Similarly, you can see and find out for the rest of the numbers 19 to 20. So the next alphabet, so here N, if it is the 14th letter, 14 to 15 you have to go, that is O. And similarly for the others. So what is the correct option? That is B, Q, T, O, H, T, G. Now come to question number 6. You have to select a figure from the options which will continue in the next series as established by the problem figures. Now coming to the position of dots, you can see that dot is given in the topmost corner of left side. Then it comes towards the middle part and it goes to the bottom part. Then again it's going to the middle part, moving to the right side. So the next position should be on the bottom side corner of right edge, right? So which option you can eliminate? That is A option you can eliminate. Okay, now see the position of the straight lines at the corner, and you can see the lines, diagonal lines you can see on the right hand side top corner. Then it goes clockwise, that is bottom part it comes. Then after moving to the left side, it goes to the corner part. Then after it comes to top leftmost side corner. So the next position you should have it as the position is shown by the first figure, right? So you can eliminate D option also, right? Now coming to the letters, then you can see alphabets A to B, that is the next letter. Then after you have B to D, that is C is skipped, one letter is skipped. Then after D to G, that is E and F is skipped, two letters skipped. Then after G to, that is you should have three letters skipped. So after G, H, I, J is skipped and you should have K. So which is the correct option? C. Now come to the next question. Estimate the value of 7834 minus 4654 by rounding off the numbers to the nearest hundreds. Now see the solution here. The two numbers 7834 and 4654 is given. You have to round off the numbers to the nearest hundreds. You just have to think that if it is nearest hundreds, in hundreds how many zeros are there? In hundreds 2 zeros are there. So first thing you will write 2 zeros, right? So the last two digits in each of these numbers, you can see 00 is shown. Now the two digits you will underline in both the numbers, that is here first you can see the number 7834. So the number formed by last two digits, that is 34, and you have to see the number, the digit at the highest place is 3. If this number is greater than or equal to 5, you will add 1 to the previous number, otherwise not. So here 3 is not greater than or equal to 5, so 78 remains as it is. So when 7834 is rounded off to the nearest hundred, it will be 7800. Similarly, when you see the second number given here, the digits The number formed by last two digits is 54 and the digit as at the highest place is 5. So 1 you need to add to the previous number. So previous number is 46. You will add 1 to that, so it will be 47. Now subtracting 4700 from 7800, you will have 3100. So which is the correct option? That is D. Now see question number 8. What is the product of all the common factors of 16 and 24? And the options are given. Now let's see the solution. Factors of 16 we will find it out, and factors of 24 also. Now factors, it means you have to find out the divisors of 16 as well as 24. That is 16 and 24 is divisible by exactly which numbers. So for 16 you can have it as you can think as 1 16s are 16, 2 8s are 16 and 4 4s are 16. So you will write the numbers only once. So 4 is not written twice. So factors of 16 you will have it as 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now let's see factors of 24. That is 1 24s are first and the last number, 2 12s are, then you will have 3 8s are, 4 6 are, and you can see all the numbers are written here. Now find out the common factors. That is, you will have it as 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now product of these common factors. So that is 1 into 2 into 4 into 8. So 8 4s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 1s are 64. So which is the correct option? B. See this question. X is a decimal number greater than 8 with 2 decimal places. Sum of its digits at tenths and hundreds place is more than 7. You need to find out X. Now decimal places, what does it mean? That is the digits that appear after decimal point. So in A option you can see after decimal point 1 and 6 is given, B 5 2 is given, in C option 6 and 3, and D option 4 and 3 is given. Now you need to find out sum of the digits, okay, at tens and hundreds places. So what is the sum for the A option? 6 plus 1 7, 5 plus 2 7, in B option 6 plus 3 9 in the third option, and D option 4 plus 3 7. You need more than 7. Right? So more than 7, where is it possible? In option C. 6 plus 3, 9. Now question number 10. At what time given below do the minute and hour hands of a clock make a right angle? 12 o'clock, quarter to 9, half past 9 and 3 o'clock. You want to find out a right angle. Remember that a clock shown at the bottom of the slide is not the part of the question. This is just the part of the explanation. And you can see that at 3 o'clock, minute hand and hour hand make a right angle. So which is the correct option? That is D.